Have you ever pondered the possibilities that come with breaking free from financial limitations and attaining millionaire status? Can you imagine the excitement of having the resources to transform your dreams into reality and pursue your passions without constraints? Have you considered the vast opportunities that being a millionaire could provide, such as the ability to invest in new ventures, support meaningful causes, or live a life of abundance? If you answered yes to these questions, then this video is perfect for you. Continue watching as we explore the steps to living a millionaire lifestyle. But before we get started, we would like to extend our gratitude for choosing to watch our video and dedicating your valuable time to be with us. At Luxo-Life, our goal is to provide you with invaluable insights and strategies that help you excel in various areas of your life. Your support means the world to us, so if you find this video helpful, we kindly ask for your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our future content, ensuring that you never miss out on the valuable information we have to offer. Now, let's dive right into becoming a millionaire. In this video, we will guide you through a series of simple yet powerful steps that can set you on the path to achieving millionaire status. We believe that financial abundance is within reach for anyone who is willing to commit to a focused and disciplined approach. By following the strategies we'll outline, you'll be able to unlock the door to a life of remarkable prosperity and enjoy the thrilling possibilities that come with having a substantial wealth. So without further ado, let's embark on this journey together and explore the thrilling possibilities that come with living a financially abundant life. Get ready to discover the transformative power of becoming a millionaire and unlock the doors to a future filled with remarkable prosperity. You might think that millionaires are only the privileged few, the famous faces or tech geniuses we often hear about. But here's a mind-blowing fact. A significant number of millionaires are everyday people just like you and me. These individuals have unlocked the secrets to rapidly growing their incomes without any special powers or connections. They grasp the key principles that pave the way to financial abundance. So, if you ever dreamt of joining the Millionaire Club, it's time to challenge the conventional wisdom and embrace the possibility that extraordinary wealth is within your reach. Get ready to discover the empowering truth about the real faces of millionaire success. Let's begin! Regarding the first step, imagine this. You're on a quest to join the exclusive Millionaire Club. But here's the secret sauce that most people miss out on: creating a kick-ass wealth-building strategy. Yup, it's a game changer. This strategy is like your roadmap to financial independence. It's all about setting clear money goals, mapping out a plan to achieve them, and tweaking things along the way. Oh, and here's the fun part. Your strategy needs to keep up with your life's twists and turns. It's like your financial GPS, considering your money stuff, what you own, what you owe, at different stages of your journey. And here's some expert advice: make it measurable. Put numbers and dates to your goals so you can see the progress you're making. Start now and watch your wealth grow faster than you've ever imagined. Now for the second step, picture this. You've got a secret weapon in your quest for millionaire status, maximizing the perks from your employer. It's like unlocking a treasure chest of benefits. We're talking about retirement plans, matching contributions, stock options, and more. Here's a cool example to get you pumped. Let's say you make $50,000 a year and save $450 each month for retirement. Without any employer contributions, it would take around 40 years to hit the magical $1 million mark. But guess what? Many big companies are ready to supercharge your savings by matching a chunk of what you put in. They'll toss in 50 cents for every dollar. That could mean an extra $250 in your account every month. Now here's the exciting part. With that employer boost, you could become a millionaire in just 34 years instead of 40. It's like having a financial wingman, helping you soar towards millionaire success. Hold on tight because we're about to drop a money-making bomb on you. What? Do you want the secret ingredient? Well, if you really want it, you should comment "I want the secret ingredient" in the comment section. Are you done? Alright, so the secret ingredient is growing that income of yours. Yup, it's like unleashing a cash avalanche. Here's the deal. To hit that glorious $1 million mark, you've gotta hustle for these promotions, level up your skills, and grab those shiny certifications. And hey, don't forget to channel your inner negotiator and score those sweet salary bumps. But wait, there's more. Ever thought about diving into side businesses or freelancing gigs? They're like hidden treasure chests of extra income. Now here's a pro tip. Before you march into your boss's office, guns blazing, do some serious research. Find out how much others in your field are cashing in. Armed with that knowledge, you'll slay that annual employee review and make a compelling case for that well-deserved raise. Oh, and remember, focus is your secret weapon. Concentrate on one income stream at a time, whether it's a side hustle or your very own business. So get out there, hustle hard, and watch that income skyrocket faster than you can save money, money, money. Alright, my savvy friend, let's dive into the fourth step of our Millionaire Master Plan, having a substantial portion of your hard-earned money. This step is crucial for building wealth and can be compared to planting seeds that will grow into a bountiful money tree. Here's the scoop. If you want to amass a significant amount of wealth in a short time, you've got to squirrel away a generous chunk of your earnings. It's time to tighten your belt and stick to a budget like a pro. Cut back on unnecessary expenses and live below your means. Forget about keeping up with others' spending habits because you're on a unique financial journey. Craft a solid savings plan that prevents money from slipping through your fingers. Start by saving 10% of your income and gradually increase it to 20%. Believe me, once you start tracking your expenses, you'll realize that you can live happily on a smaller portion of your earnings. And here's a handy trick. Set up automatic transfers to a separate savings or investment account. This way, your savings grow effortlessly while you sit back and witness your wealth blossoming. So, let's get saving and watch those dollar bills stack up higher and higher. Let's talk about the fifth step, a game changer on your path to millionaire status, creating multiple income streams. This is like unleashing a powerful arsenal of money-making opportunities. You can explore options like investing in stocks that pay dividends, owning rental properties, or even starting a side business. Remember, this isn't about spending money, it's about investing it wisely to make it grow. Now here's a question for you. What do you think it would take to become a millionaire in 10 years? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. As for me, here's my take. If you want to hit that $1 million mark in a decade, you'll need to save and invest approximately $8,000 a month. And if you're aiming for millionaire status in just 5 years, get ready to save and invest around $13,000 per month, assuming an 8% annual return. By diversifying your income sources, you'll not only reduce risk, but also increase your chances of long-term wealth accumulation. So, let's explore those multiple streams and set sail on your millionaire voyage. Let's tackle the next crucial step on our millionaire journey, paying off that pesky debt. We all know that debt can be a major roadblock on the path to financial freedom. It's like carrying around a heavy weight that limits your ability to save and accumulate wealth. But fear not, Luxo lovers, because there's a strategy to conquer it. Here's the plan. Start by prioritizing high-interest debts like credit card balances or personal loans. Why? Well, by tackling these first, you'll not only save money on hefty interest payments, but also create more breathing room in your monthly budget. And guess what? That extra cash flow can then be redirected towards your savings and investments. It's like unleashing a financial ninja move to slay that debt dragon and set you free. So, let's roll up our sleeves, create a solid debt repayment plan, and watch as those burdensome debts disappear, paving the way to millionaire success. Alright, let's dive into step 7, where the magic of wise investments unfolds. Now here's a little secret to bust. You might think that millionaires make their fortunes through fancy, complex investments. But guess what? The truth is often quite the opposite. A straightforward and direct investment strategy is often the key to success. So, what's the game plan? Educate yourself about different investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Arm yourself with knowledge, but here's the kicker: most self-made millionaires strike a balance. While keeping their investing portfolios on the conservative side, they take measured chances in their jobs. It's like finding that sweet spot where opportunity meets caution. So let's embark on a journey of financial education, explore different investment avenues, and become the masters of wise investments. Remember, simplicity can be your greatest ally on the road to millionaire status. Now let's talk about the second to last step, which is all about continuously improving your skills until you start reaping significant returns on your investments. Here's the deal: your income is the key to building wealth. So it's time to roll up your sleeves and focus on sharpening your skills, no matter which industry or career path you've chosen. Here's the golden rule: the better you become at your job, the more you'll earn. And you know what that means? It means more money to save and invest on your journey to millionaire status. So, how do you do it? Stay in the loop with industry trends, keep an eye out for relevant training or workshops, and seize opportunities for career growth. Remember, the more valuable skills you possess, the higher your chances of commanding better salaries or income-generating ventures. It's like supercharging your earning potential. So let's embrace the mindset of continuous improvement, polish those skills, and watch as your income skyrockets, bringing you closer to your millionaire dreams. Last but certainly not least, we arrive at the final step: resisting the siren call of excessive spending. It's time to flex those willpower muscles and steer clear of unnecessary luxury purchases. Instead, keep your eyes fixed on the horizon of long-term financial goals. How can you do it? By cultivating disciplined spending habits. Learn to differentiate between wants and needs and prioritize investing in assets that appreciate in value rather than sinking your money into depreciating liabilities. It's all about making smart choices. To do this, you'll need to find ways to control those impulsive spending urges and, of course, create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial aspirations. Always keep this golden rule in mind: live below your means. By doing so, you'll be able to save more, invest wisely, and secure a prosperous future. And that's a wrap, Luxo lovers. We've reached the end of today's video. By now, you've learned the 9 crucial steps to pave your way towards millionaire status in record time. But let's not forget that this journey requires dedication, discipline, and a long-term perspective. It won't happen overnight, but the rewards that await you, financial freedom and abundance, are absolutely worth the effort. Now it's your turn to take these ideas and bring them to life. Turn those dreams into tangible reality. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and sharing this video with your fellow dream chasers. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content coming your way. Stay tuned and stay inspired. See you in the next one.